Hey, what's up, everybody? Anyways, wanted to walk you guys through break and structure, retest, finding a new entry. Before I go into present time, this is present time activity. Before I go there, let's look at past history. So this way you get a better idea of how break of market structure works and the retest. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now is drop it to the 4 hour. Oh, okay. So now we have here is a 4 hour chart of Bitcoin, okay? And on this 4 hour chart, we've got and this was back in July. Okay, so in July, we had a switch in market structure right there, okay? And if you guys are not sure what these acronyms are, go back to the videos that I've made for FS Group. I made 2 videos that talk about market structure and price action. You will be able to catch up on these acronyms here, and you'll be able to identify when changes in trends occur, because reading market structure and price action will tell you when price changes and trends change. Okay, so in this situation, trend change, SMS, possibility of change in trend, break in market structure, confirmation of break in trend. This is the major structure. Let me walk you through this one. This here is the major structure that broke. In other words, we pushed up and broke through this structure. This was major swing structure, also known as external liquidity, or supply and demand zone. You have internal liquidity here. This is the major swing structure. This is the major swing structure. All this small movement inside is minor structure. So this was the major structure that price needed to break through. Once price broke through that structure, price came and tested this. Let me remove this. Hold on. Okay. So, and the break in market structure goes like this. Boom, boom, came back and tested right at the line, right there. See it? And this is a 4 hour chart, so this is a big deal. And then came up and came back to test it. Did not come down all the way to this, but close to it. All right. So that is the behavior that we will often see with price breaking structure. And here we will be able to see the same thing. Okay. This is present time now on the 4 hour chart. Okay. So we have a switch in market structure. This is the major liquidity, major swing structure that needed to be broke. And we broke market structure with these green candles right here. See this? Let me grab this. Okay. This green candle broke market structure. Now, let me show you something. We expect price to come back down here. So this would be my this test of this of the break in market structure is where I will be looking for another entry for a long, because I am still bullish on this market. So I expect price to continue, and I'm looking for a pullback. And what I'm going to be doing is dropping it to a lower time frame right here. This is a 1 hour right now, and I'm going to be looking for a pullback into this BMS line. Now I'm going to show you some. Price actually broke the structure and tested. See it right there? Price came, broke the structure, this line, pulled back. You have 2 hours, 1, 2, and it literally pulled back into this line and then pulled away. Now you have accumulation here. I don't really think, it may, but I don't really think that price will come down below this. But it may, can. You know, it all depends on the market maker and his pending orders, and what he has for sell orders and buy orders, and whether he has enough, if he's got juicy stop losses that he can grab and grab at some liquidity. But previous behavior tells me that on a 1 hour chart, when he grabs at the market structure here and pulls away, In this case, he did that. He grabbed it two candles worth, pulled away, and then now we're in accumulation. My anticipation is that he is going to come somewhere close to it, but not to it, and I'm going to be looking for an entry for a buy based on a 15-minute or even a 5-minute. I'm going to be looking for higher lows, and then once I see a higher low with a good juicy candlestick, I'm going to get in for an entry. So again, if you missed this entry here, I got in on this. In fact, my position is price I got in on was 4408 down here. 4408, somewhere around, actually right at this line. Okay, so based on this, if you missed entry down here, you can catch a second entry when price comes and tests this BMS line. So that's it, break and retest. Price will do that time and time again, and showed you a past example and the expectation of present time, and I'm looking for an entry to get in again. We could also read, let me just show you something. We could also read the levels here. Go to the 1 hour. Boom, boom. Okay. So right here, we have, let me do this. In actuality, let me see. Okay, it's level 1. You guys probably see where I'm going with this. Okay, so that's level 1. In actuality, this is, I would read this as peak formation low right here. Yeah, that's it. This is actually a real strange peak formation low, but it is what it is, you know. I don't make the news, I only report it. Yeah. And then, of course, we have SMS right here, BMS on this major structure, and I'm expecting price to come back and test it. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. All right, guys. Thanks.